Hello guys, a very good morning from Jagran Resort. We are going to have breakfast and we've come to this club restaurant to have this breakfast. Very recently, just an hour ago, we have checked in and I showed you the suite as well, and now we've decided to have some breakfast. Let's see how is their breakfast. We have ordered omelette, half fried, French toast, tea, parathas, that's what we call fried flat bread. And there are two hungry people with me who are actually waiting for breakfast. Glasses, you need to wear your glasses, yeah? Cool. And the hungriest person, the most hungry, he's the food monster. Yeah, Pac-Man eats everything. Yeah, he is here as well. And you can see the sun is shining brightly, and we do have barbecue area, but that's not clean now. And we were sitting here and basking the sun. Yeah, it's really awesome because we need sun. We don't want to be sun tanned. That's why we are having our backs towards the sun and we are enjoying this. After breakfast, we are going to start recording, and today we'll make some more videos, some vlogs on IELTS. So that's what we're going to do. I think हम लोग सही नहीं आ रहे होंगे because the sun is at my back. So guys, anyways, thank you very much. Now I have already ordered breakfast. एक दफ़ा नाश्ता आ जाए, एक एक चीज़ दिखाऊंगा आप लोगों को. बाद चिप हमें उल्टियाँ कर दर नज़र लग जाती है ना खाने को भी, दिखा के खाएं तो.
जब तक वीडियो पहुंचनी है तब तक हम खा चुके हैं.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what we said. यासीन को कहते थे तू कैमरा फट के रख सी रोटी खा लिए. All right. Wow, प्यारी सी बिल्ली बैठी हुई है. Well guys, finally we got the breakfast, and well, we got the omelets first. Along with omelets, we've got parathas, right? Then we've got half fried egg, and of course we got tea, right? So this is our breakfast for this morning. It's really a beautiful morning, and once again you joined me with my breakfast. Actually, right, you're the important part of my breakfast, and I want you to look around. It's all beautiful. Just we are sitting between or among these beautiful mountains. You can see all this area is surrounded by mountains, right? So you're still waiting for your breakfast?
Yeah.
All right, it's going to arrive. Waiting for slice. She eats slice. Yeah, English people eat slice. And what do you eat?
Parathas.
Paratha hai pakka pendu. That's why he eats parathas. Slice nahi hai? Chale. Paratha with tea, white and sick. Yummy. Well guys, breakfast is incomplete without tea or coffee. I have already had tea, and this is coffee. This coffee is this one, cappuccino. This is Yasin, this is cappuccino. Right, very nice one. It is I think made in Dubai. Very good. Jolden. Yeah, cappuccino. So you can enjoy this, and it's got the sprinkle. And let me just, yeah, you can see. And this time I'm going to sip this coffee, and then I tell you how it tastes. Just a second. Is this the coffee? Ah, wow. Creamy with coffee notes, creamy taste with coffee notes, and milky, obviously milky, creamy coffee, and sweet. So, and hot as well because the weather is truly cold here. So that's why. Thank you guys for joining in our breakfast vlog. It's almost over. Fala is listening to songs, and Yasin has finished his coffee. Look, he's doing what? Oh, Paijan pangi kotan deo. Huh? Eh? Nada ina pangi jare. Thank you. Shukriya.